Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy here. Time for another update video. So you already know the deal. We have another update. So I'm up on here to give you your daily updates with your new BIOS. So there was an Armoury Crate SE update that actually updated. I didn't want to do this, but it actually did it anyway. So yeah. So there's another update that was for the 15th. It's currently the 18th. I updated this already, but for some reason I didn't get the how update. So we're actually gonna be updating this right now. So we're gonna just click update. I'm gonna download it real quick. So we're gonna zoom that in so you guys can actually see the new how update, the RC71L. So this is gonna be version 2.5.35. 0 right there. Like I said, always make sure that your USB Type-C cord is always plugged in. So let's check the version. Okay, so the HAL version is 2.5.35.0. MCU firmware is version 3.15. As you can see the date right here, this was actually done in October. This one's for November. So minor update, nothing really big. Just want to click check for update again, just to see if we got anything new to pop up on there. Like we always do, we always check every software before we do anything, to make sure this is 100% done and make sure your ROG Ally is always up to date. So we can see that's good. So we're gonna exit out of that. Next one we're gonna do is we're gonna go towards my Asus. So let me cover this up really quick. As y'all know, I don't like showing my serial number. Okay. As you can see, the last time we updated was version 3.3.3. I am feeling a lot better. You could probably hear it in my voice, and you probably don't hear me coughing as much, but I'm feeling better. I have a long story about that in my next video. So next update, I'm going to explain to y'all basically what happened to me and how I almost died because of the cold. Well, not the cold I have, but the virus I wound up getting. That could have been something that was very simple. Okay, I got misdiagnosed, and that was basically the problem. Misdiagnosed, and the whole issue happened. So that wasn't fun. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go towards Microsoft Windows. Just check and see if there's any updates with this. Just click Get Updates. And we got the normal stuff: Xbox Insider Hub, gaming service, and Xbox. So those are the only things that needs to be updated. We also need to do an update to make sure that the Windows OS is up to date. So we're going to do that in a few seconds. Okay, we're going to click on Get Update one more time just to double check to make sure that we got all the latest updates. Sometimes you may need to click on it again because sometimes you might download it and all the stuff might not download it onto it. So as we can see, we're doing that. We got the check sign. Okay, we're good to go. So we'll exit out of that. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna click on that real quick. Check for updates. Most likely it's gonna be a security update that don't get pushed right away. And like I said, security update, nothing new. So yeah, that was just a fast update. Double check one more time. Yeah, and that should literally be it. Let's exit out of that. We're gonna go towards this. We're gonna open up this real quick. Let's see if there's any new updates. I don't know why that's off. Let's turn that on. I don't know why that was actually disabled. It was probably disabled from my previous settings that I had. We got I'm gonna try to mess with this with HYPR RX on there, see how that does with some of the stuff. Got display, okay, all that good stuff on. So yeah, get this. Let's see. Just leave that the way how it is. Okay. Everything's up to date. That's everything, guys. And I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Please, guys, subscribe. It only takes a second. Hit that notification bell. Become part of the DY Easy Gang. You know, get me to 1,800K, guys. We trying to do this. Hit that subscribe button. More videos is coming. More testing. More how-tos. I have a big item that's coming up, guys. It has RGBs. Basically, I have a whole thing that's coming that has RGBs, a custom plate, all that good stuff that's coming up for the RG Ally. Special body. Make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can see this. I will be getting this in the next couple of days. I'm just waiting for them to release it. And as soon as I get it, y'all already know I'm dropping a video on it. So it's your boy Daddy Easy here. iBot Jailbreak Hacker. Only using me time out. Remember, live it, love it, game it, peace and deuces. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Whoa. And I'm out of here. Holla.